Don't forget to like and subscribe to eVolve MAP. Hello, this is Amber Zinke with eVolve Electrical. Today we're going to be talking about creating a kit area within eVolve Electrical. So to dive right in, we do have a Create Kit Area tool within eVolve Electrical, which allows you to define the area of your kit. This tool is perfect for when your room is shaped rectangular or also like a square. You still have the ability to create a kit area for a little bit odd-shaped rooms like you see over here. So how we do that is we're going to go into our components. We're going to choose the model in place, and then we're going to select our generic model here. Press OK, and then you're going to name it, I'm just going to name it the EE kit. Then press OK. I'm going to choose my extrusion, and then I'm going to just draw in my shape of my oddly shaped room. You can do this multiple ways. You can just draw it in, or you can pick lines. Just depends on how you want to draw out your lines for this room here. And this is really awesome to be able to make sure that you can have a kit no matter what shape room you do have. Then press finish, and then as you can see, now we have our kit area defined. Make sure that you do adjust your extrusion values to make sure that it covers your elevation of that room. So from there, we're able to then enter in the needed information for our kit ID information. And this will be the same for no matter if you have a square room or an oddly shaped room. You just come in here and add this information. You can do that within our parameters here or also within your kit manager. And then I'm just going to tag this kit, and I'm going to remove that leader off of that tag. And then as you can see, now we have our defined kit area and some information added into the parameters of that kit. So we can also go into our kit manager, and we can still add in information and modify information for that kit within our kit manager. So for my kit name, I'm going to actually filter this down to my C1s, just because there's a ton of different kits in this project and I want to be able to quickly find the one I want. So I can then go from here, and then I'm able to quickly find the C1 kit I just created. As you can see, I can still adjust my statuses or whatever information I do want to modify for that kit here. I also then can generate my sheet right within here, and then that will generate my C1 sheet. I don't really have any elements populated currently right now within my kit area there, but I do have a lot of elements defined and placed in my B1 here. So I'm just going to come in here and show you my B1 sheet. As you can see, when you do create those sheets, you'll get your build material and whatever views that you want to show within here. So that is today's Fun Feature Friday on creating a kit area, both oddly shaped and normal shaped rooms. If you have any questions or want to see more, please visit our website and request a demo. Thank you.